Ayan. So, let's proceed to the option menu demonstration. First is we need to create a directory for the menu and doon natin ilalagay XML natin, no? So, let's see XML. So, bali walang directly menu. So, I'm not sure kung may directly na pwedeng menu, no? So, gagawa muna tayo ng directory sa ating rest folder. So, we'll name it menu. Then, dito natin ilalagay XML natin. So, let's right-click new. Maybe file lang. And then, menu layout dot XML or make you can make it more descriptive, no? Option menu layout, ganyan. So, since empty siya, wala siyang laman, we will now put our XML. So, of course, you need to add the tawag dito, XML version, UTF-8, etc. So, I'll just put it here. Ayan. And then, i-close muna natin yung menu. So, you have the menu tag that denotes that this is a menu, XML. And then, maglalagay tayo ng item which represent each menu na meron tayo dun sa ating XML. So, to do that, lagay lang kayo ng item tag. And then, Android ID. So, our menu should have an ID. Kasi yun yung gagamitin natin para ma-check, no, kung clinic ba siya ni user. Ayan. And then, Android title. So, title tayo yung lalabas dun sa ano din, no, screen. So, about. So, kita yung about siya. And then, we have, let's copy this one and then create for example, help. So, as you can see, lalabas siya directly dito sa 3 dots or yung overflow icon natin. Zoom natin. Ayan. So, ayan siya. Lumalabas siya. So, each add natin ng item. Parang naghahangin, ano. Minus. So, hindi siya nakiklik. Ayan. Each add natin ng item, lalabas siya doon sa 3 dot. And this 3 dot is also called the overflow icon. In some reference, they call this one, I'm not sure, meatballs. Let me double check now. So, I forgot na yung ano eh. So, I think, kebab. They call it kebab. No? So, ito siya guys. They call this one kebab menu. Technically, overflow icon na tawag sa kanya. However, in some reference, they just call it by their food names, no? The hamburger icon here is also called, di ba, drawer or dashboard or drawer to. And they call this one hamburger icon. So, this is the kebab. So, yun yung nakikita natin dyan. That is the kebab icon there. So, pag click natin yung kebab or overflow icon, lalabas yung mga menu item na nilagay natin. And if you want na lumabas yung, kunyari about, gusto nyo nakikita siya sa header dito, you can put the app show as action para lumabas siya dito. Tapos, lagay niyo yung parameter na ayan, show as action. And then, if room, ibig sabihin, if there's a room or may space dito, ipapakita niya. Ayan. So, it depends on nyo kung gusto nyo ganyan or pag wala tong ah, action yan, lalabas siya lahat dun sa ah, overflow icon. So, alisin muna natin yun and by default lagyan mo sa overflow icon. So, we already have our XML. So, wala pa siya dun sa ating main wala pa siya dun sa main, no, hindi pa siya na-apply dito. So, to apply it, we need to go to our Kotlin or class. And then, we need to provide the create, tawag ito, on create option menu. So, we need to override it. So, override on create option menu. And then, automatic naman it will create this one. And since we will be creating our own, so we can remove this one. So, val, then we create our inflator. The inflator will allow us to display the menu. And then, equals menu inflator. And then, inflator dot inflate. So, the inflate will show, if you click it, it will show you this menu. So, r dot menu dot the layout. So, menu layout. And then, just return true. Since this has a boolean return, so you need to return true. So, this will create you the menu. Kulang tayo ng parameter dito. So, we need to pass on the menu. Ayan. So, this function will allow us to display the XML file, this one, in our main XML. So, it will show up here. And then, after that, if we click or select a menu, we need to code the on options item selected. So, we need to override this function. So, to do that, override again. Then, on option item selected menu. So, we will be creating our own behavior. So, we remove these calling the superclass. So, and then, let's use the switch case. So, return when, then item that selected. Or item that item ID. Ayan. And then, from this one, case r.id about. So, what we will be doing if about is clicked. So, let's just make a toast. So, toast that make text application context. Then our message is, so this is about. So, of course, you can start an intent here, do etc. So, for demonstration purposes, I just make a toast. So, toast that length short, then that show, then return through here. Then you can just copy this one, then do it for the help. So this is help, then this is help, and then let's put the default, no, super that option item selected item. So this part will give the action if you select a certain menu item here. So let's try to run this one. So stop muna natin yung previous application. So stop, and then let's try to run this one. Yan. So as you can see, we can see here the overflow icon or the kebab menu. So overflow icon or the kebab menu. And if you click this one, it will show you the menu item that we put here. So did we put show? Yan, may show naman. So pag click natin about, Yan, this is about. And then if you click help, and then it will return help. So that's how you create the option menu. Of course, if you want a certain action to be done, if the user select this one, so you can replace this toast with a different action. And so your option menu is always present on the overall application, meaning in any screen you go, the option menu will be showing, no? So option menu is used to provide an overall action on your application. Ayan. So that's all for this demo, and thank you for watching.